Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jose Vigoro of the Good Teacher videos and Good Teacher articles. So today we're going to cover perimeter of squares using whole numbers, decimals, and fractions. So for whole numbers, it's very simple. Here's the perimeter formula. It is 2 times the length plus 2 times width. So over here we have the whole number as 2 and then 4. So we will rewrite our formula like this. P equals 2 times 2 plus 2 times 4. So 2 times 2 is 4, and then 2 times 4 is 8. And then we just figured this out. 4 plus 8 is 12. So our answer for the whole number is 12. See? Simple. Then over here, it's the same thing. We're going to have 0.5 times 2 plus 0.75 times 2. 0.5 times 2 would be 1. 0.75 times 2 is 1.50. So now we will add 1.5 plus 1.0, and the answer would be 2.5. So that is the perimeter of this square with decimals. P is going to equal 2 times half plus 2 times 3/4. You can't multiply fractions to a whole number like this. It's gonna mess you up. So to do that, we need to turn this whole number, this number 2 and this number 2, into fractions. How we do that is very easy. We're gonna rewrite it, and instead of just the number 2, it's gonna be 2 over 1 times half plus 2 over 1 times 3/4. When you're multiplying fractions, you do it normally. You multiply across. So 2 times 1 is 2, and then 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6, and then 1 times 4 is 4. Once you reach this point, you need to find common denominators. So we know 2 can go inside 4, so we're just going to turn this 2 into a 4. And how you do that is, you multiply the bottom by 2 and the top by 2. So now you have 4 over 4 plus 6 over 4. And then you can add normally. The denominators don't change, so your number as the denominator is going to be a 4. However, the top numbers, the numerators, can be added. So 4 plus 6 is 10. So now we're going to turn this improper fraction into a mixed number. And here's how we're going to do it. We'll start from here. So 4 will go on the outside and 10 on the inside. We need to figure out how many times 4 goes inside 10. So if you know your multiplication tables, this should be easy. If not, I'll show you. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. And 4 times 3 is 12. So 12 is too big to fit inside 10, but we do know 8 is smaller than 10. So we know 4 can go inside 10 at least 2 times. So our 2 will go up here. So now we're going to do 2 times 4 equals 8, and we're going to subtract it. 10 minus 8 is 2. So now that we have this, our whole number is the 2. Our denominator is going to be the 4, and then our numerator is going to be the 2. We can also simplify. 2 and 4 can be divided by 2. Do not touch the whole number. The whole number stays the same. But the 2 and the 4 can be divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, and then 2 divided by 2 is 1. This is our simplified answer. That would be the perimeter of this square. Now, there's also another way you can do this, which I believe is slightly faster. You can also do the perimeter is the added equivalent of all sides. You can also put perimeter is the sum of all sides. In this case, we know the half on this side on top, the half, is also the same in the bottom half. This side on the right is the same as this side on the left. So all we're gonna do is do half plus half, which equals 1, and then 3/4 plus 3/4 equals 1.5 or 1.50. So now you're just gonna add 1 plus 150. So 1 plus 150 is gonna be 2.5 or 2.50. You can rewrite this as 5/10, and if you divide both sides by 5, you will get 1/2. See, it's the same thing. Anyways, I hope this video helps. Let me know in the comments if you guys need anything, and I have never asked this before, but if you can share this information with other people that may need it, it'd be greatly appreciated. So I thank you all for continuously watching my videos, and I hope all of you have a great and fantastic evening. Good night.